try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me pon the right gal, better take the left lane. Hex a try explain.
Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Listen, make sure you drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Please, it's right down there. Just drop a subscribe so you can grow the channel. Woo! Woo! Yo, you guys remember this?
7. 7. 7.
Yeah. Ha! Well, that 7 of you guys gave Manchester United about 2 weeks ago. That 7 love, which you couldn't recover, you couldn't bail back from, because as soon as you drop 7, you lose the next game to Bournemouth. Well, today marks the day that you failed in every competition this season. 4 competitions you start the season with, and you end with none. Now you're running, screaming, rushing behind Tottenham and Manchester United just to get in the top 4. You're a top 4 merchant now, Liverpool. That's all you are. Top 4 merchant, fam. You guys are screaming joy after you win the 7-0. Yes, we played horrible that second half. Yes, you guys beat us. But that 7-0 that you drank, what are you doing with it now, fam? You're playing for 0 titles this season. Manchester United is in 2 more. Forget about the Premier League. We're still in the FA Cup, or we're still in the Europa League. Where are you, fam? Where are you, Liverpool? Where? Now you're fighting for top 4. Just remember, Manchester United rule you this season. So win the 7-0. Haha, we won 2-1 the first round. Manchester United rule you this season. We take away a trophy. The trophy that you're celebrating last year like you win the league. Yeah. The Carabao Cup. We take it back from you. Remember that. Take away a spot in the top 3. Remember that as well. So while you are celebrating your 7-0, remember Manchester United is in the top 4, won the Carabao Cup, still in the FA Cup, still in the Europa League. You try remember that. Try remember that. Liverpool. Liverstool. Ha ha. Woo. Oh yes. Alright, can't stop that about Liverpool now. Can't stop that about Liverpool. Manchester United have a big game, quarterfinals, to get into the quarterfinal of the Europa League. And we are leading 4-1, so we have a 3-game cushion, 3-goal cushion on them. So it should be an easy game. It's never difficult. It's never easy with Manchester United. So we have to go there with a strong head, strong mind, and win the game out. But we run the risk of Casemiro and Bruno being missed in the quarterfinals if they get a yellow card tomorrow. No, I don't need to remind you about what happened in the last game when Casemiro got a red card. You know what? Let me show you what happened at Casemiro. Casemiro got a red card in the last game. This picture right here. Casemiro got a red card for that. A red card for that, fam. Meanwhile, today, not even a week later, today, the team that we played against, Lavia, Southampton, did this in that game. Look at what he did. Look at what he did. He did this in that game. No card. Not even a foul, I don't think. No card, no red card, no yellow card, nothing. But Casemiro won the ball and it follow through, hit the attacker, and him get a red card for that. But no foul, no tackle, nothing. And this, are you fucking kidding me, FA? Referees Association, what are you doing, fam? What are you doing? Are they judge the game fairly or not? We have to know. We need to know what is VAR here for. You went back and give the man and bring the man to the monitor for Casemiro, but nothing for Lavia, nothing for Southampton, today. Are you mad? Are you fucking kidding me, fam? Now we are 4 games away without Casemiro. 4 games. And if you know anything about Manchester United record with Casemiro and without Casemiro, oh, don't let me start on that one. But we're playing 4 games without Casemiro. FA Cup and 3 Premier League games. Just because you, man, you look up pussies. It's okay. It's all fucking okay. It's okay. Anthony is ill. Anthony Marshall recovering, says training, but he's not fit enough to play. Garnacho injured, same way. Boy, my tell. Of course, the long-term injuries, Ericsson and Van de Beek still injured. Where everybody else is going, we know that Casemiro can't play. Thank you, referee. Thank you so much. But we have a full squad, a healthy squad. Sabitzer is back, so Sabitzer should be playing with Benzema. With Sabitzer should be playing with either Fred or McTominay. We can't have Fred and McTominay playing together. That's not happening. That is not happening. I don't care for 10 minutes in play. You have to play before them come on. Aside from that, Manchester United is looking good for tomorrow. Just want to see that game out, nil all draw, call it a day, so we can move to the next round and then focus on the FA Cup on Sunday. Anyway, before I go, I just want to let you know. Let's all laugh at Liverpool, people. Let's all laugh at Liverpool. Drink your 7-Up, be happy, pussy. We're still not the FA Cup, we're still not the Europa League. Where are you? Where is Liverpool? Where is Liverpool? I don't know. Ha! Big up yourself, people. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe for brand new. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Ha! Manners!